thank y'all for coming back. Thank y'all for tuning in again. Make sure you
smash that
like button.
Make sure you subscribe to my channel.
Yes.
Click right here.
Click it. Where is that? Click it. Okay, so today we have balloons and we have Hot Wheel cars. So our experiment today is making Hot Wheel ice eggs. We gonna try y'all. We gonna get a balloon.
Open it.
We gonna do it. We gonna try to help each other. We gonna stretch it all the way out as much, and then we gonna try to put that in, and then we gonna fill up the water, and then we're gonna freeze it and see if the car actually freezes. Okay. I gotta try to blow it to get it like down. You wanna blow it? Go. Alright guys, so the car is in there. Yay.
I blow with it.
High five! Woo! Yeah. So we're gonna let that out. Okay, we're gonna do it just like that. So you wanna do 3 in total. Take those out. And we're gonna do these 2 cars, you guys.
Yeah, this one's that.
So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to our kitchen and we're gonna put water in these, and then we're gonna put them in the fridge. See you guys, that's why I tell you, you gotta be careful when you're putting it in there. We got a hole in one of them and it's skirting out. Alright, and I'm gonna hand it over to the Ice King.
24 hours later.
Hi, Izzy Nation.
Hi you guys, so today is day 2. So we just took out the frozen eggs, and so now we're about to open, well, before we smash them, we're gonna open them and see how they look, okay?
Smash them.
Oh, that one has a hole in it. Okay, so where are the cars?
Cars?
Oh, they're on the bottom. Whoa. Look.
Okay, kids, so we're gonna smash them.
All right. So that's the only way we're going to get the cars out, right? All right, so get one. Which one? Okay. All right, so ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa!
Let's do one more.
3, 2, 1, go! You got one. We got the red car out. Now it's time to get the blue one. You ready, Izzy?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Whoa. Oh, you did that one good one.
Yeah.
Ew! Yuck, stop. That's dirty and germ. So look, now we got the blue one out, you guys. Yay! So we got both cars out. Woohoo! So that was, what you thought about that one? Was that fun?
That was cool
Yeah.
because when I had like growing, that was a good one.
Yeah, so you guys, thank you for watching. Come back, come through it with me. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to his channel. So click it. And we'll see you on the next one.